On behalf of the mighty Matador NJRTC, good day. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Honra la bandera de Texas. Prometo lealtad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios único e indivisible.
Carry colors. Ready, cut. Left turn.
What's up, Matadors? Today is Friday, April 24th, 2026. I'm Taylor Gloyd.
And I'm Erin Johnston.
Coming up, Cheer is hosting their spring showcase. We'll tell you all about it.
Our baseball team is back in the playoffs, and if you want your official playoff shirt, we have just the thing for you.
So don't go anywhere.
Because MatCast
starts right now. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of MatCast.
We are your go-to spot for all things Matador Nation.
So let's get started.
Our Navy ROTC program competed in Corpus Christi this past weekend at the South Texas Old Glory Invitational and came back with the top place finishes. The female color guard team won first in drill, first in inspection, and second in flag folding. The male color guard team won third in inspection, second in flag folding, and second in drill. We are very proud of them and all the hard work they put into their individual performances. This was the last competition of the year, so congrats to them on going out big. We can't wait to see what the teams will do next year.
Congratulations to Brooke Newbles, who won first place at our area's VFW Patriotic Art Scholarship Contest, in which she attended dinner ceremony and received her award last night. Her artwork will move to the state finals and then the national finals and will be eligible for scholarships up to $15,000. Good job, Brooke, and good luck at state finals. We're cheering you on from here.
It's that time of year again. Cheer is hosting their spring showcase, a fun night celebrating our cheer programs. There will also be a gift card raffle and a summer fun wagon. The show will be next Thursday, April 30th at 6 p.m. in Goldie Harris Gym. Admission is $5 at the door. Join us for performances from SHS Cheer, Jim Barnes Middle School, AJB Middle School, Marion High School, Navarro High School, Second Story Dance, Extreme Texas Gymnastics, and the Mini Match Cheerleaders. There will also be a raffle where you can win a $300 gift card, so don't miss your chance to enter. All proceeds help support our cheer programs, so be sure to buy tickets when you arrive.
Our baseball team is back in the playoffs, and if you want your official playoff shirt, listen up. This is the design for the shirt being offered this year. It has a vintage look back on the black shirt. The prices range from $22 to $27 depending on the size. If you want to order this shirt, you'll need to act fast because the last day to order is today. Our boys have their last game tonight here against Lanier High School. They begin their playoff run next week, so good luck to them.
Get ready, softball fans. Our Lady Mats are headed to Game 2 of the playoffs. They will face off against Southwest High School again today at 7 p.m. at Southwest High School. If a Game 3 is needed, it'll be at the San Antonio ISD Complex on Saturday. Stay tuned for ticket links for out-of-town games, and we will keep you updated.
Prom King and Queen nominations for our Grand Masquerade are due today. Rules for nominating. You must be a senior. You may only nominate one at a time. Your nominees must be seniors. You must be logged into your school account. If you have any questions or concern, please reach out to Ms. Avalos through email at mavalos@seguin.k12.tx.us or go by room D112. Final ballot will be posted today at 4:05 p.m.
Prom is in 1 week away and you don't want to miss out. Right now, you can get your tickets for $70. If you wait to purchase at the door, the price will be $75. Prom will be taking place Saturday, May 2nd from 7 to 11 p.m. at the Seguin Events Complex. If you plan to bring a date that does not attend SHS, please get the permission form from the ticket sales table in the cafeteria or in room D112. So secure your tickets now because you don't want to miss an enchanting evening.
If you are a senior in a CTE course and have signed with a local business, the CTE department is looking for you. Our Seguin CTE is partnering up with the Seguin Economic Development Corporation and Navarro ISD to celebrate local students who are taking the leap from high school into high-demand careers and technical education pathways. If you are a senior and you want to sign up, you can scan the QR code on your screen now. The event takes place on May 12th from 9 to 11 a.m. This special event is to celebrate and recognize students who will sign letters of intent for job offers and apprenticeships in Seguin.
Attention SHS parents, here's your second chance to enjoy a night out. After a big success last Friday, Parents Night Out returns on Friday, May 8th from 6 to 10 p.m. in the Goldie Harris Gym at SHS. Children ages 5 to 11 are invited for a fun evening of volleyball, games, food, and activities, while parents enjoy a well-deserved break. The cost is $40 per child with a $5 sibling discount. So register by May 7th using the QR code on your screen now. All proceeds will help support Matador Volleyball's trip to Orlando next season. So thank you for supporting Matador Volleyball.
Seguin High School is getting ready to celebrate inclusion, awareness, and community at this year's Autism Awareness Dance. This is an event designed to bring students together while supporting and understanding autism. The dance will be hosted this Sunday, April 26th at 225 North Saunders Street from 2 to 4 p.m. All ages are invited. There will be prizes and free giveaways as well as great music and dancing. So don't miss out, Matadors, on a fun and exciting night.
Teachers, you are invited to attend the Teacher of the Year banquet. To give thanks to teachers in our community, the Seguin Chamber members invites you and community members to join us to celebrate our educators at the annual Teacher of the Year banquet at 1015 South Austin Street from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. tonight. This special event celebrates the incredible dedication and hard work our educators in Seguin and the surrounding area. Thank you, teachers.
If you are looking to help, Geronimo and Alligator Creek's Watershed Partnership is calling on you and our community to help our local waterways clean at their spring term cleaning event. The cleanup will take place tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. at the Seguin ISD Outdoor Learning Center. All cleanup supplies will be provided and limited special event t-shirts are available, but you need to sign up now at GeronimoCreekWatershed.org, and the best part, free breakfast, tacos, and coffee will be served. So come out, give back to our community, and help protect the creeks right here in our own backyard. Every pair of hands makes a difference. Those are all the announcements for today. Stay tuned after MatCast for a video we made for our softball team's playoff run.
Reporting to you from the Matt Cave and Delta House, I'm Erin Johnston.
And I'm Taylor Gloyd. Let's keep this year strong, let's stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward because the future is now.
Woo! Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
VIP coming live from the VIP. Heard the nightlife, lost life without me. Most feds in the state wanna see by me. The whole city got pissed, heard he got 3. That other rapper got a hit, but shouted he not me. Who set the city on fire soon as he got free? The king back now. Raws don't even know how to act now. Still push a button and let the roof on the lag down. I'm on the road doing shows, put my Mac down. Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to Chat Town. I get with other southern rapper hooded than this. I got rich and I'm still in a hooligan clique. It's clear to see that I'm ahead of my time. I cop a chromed out, hard top career with a shine. I got some time, there ain't nothing, I get better with time. Who got a flow and a live show better than mine? I got a packed house yelling,
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
I'm a hot girl yelling,
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
all the dope boys yelling,
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
fuck the back day yelling,
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
mic check 1 2 1 2. You wanna beef with the king? What is you gon' do when you show up on the scene with the 2 guns drew on you and your friend and play a little 2-on-2? If you do half of what I do, you'll be hitting the deck. I got a tool and a vest, I can get some respect.